Hello everybody, how is it going today? I will show you in this video uh, how to hack commands from software box and tools. Yeah, this is really amazing and it worked for some dongles like MRT dongle and MCT dongle and some famous software in history. Yeah, let's dark hack. Okay, the first thing you need is a Windows PC and USB cable and Wireshark. This Wireshark is famous for reverse engineering, and another is Amazing Secret 2. Okay, what is Amazing Secret 2? That Amazing Secret 2 is a USB pickup. You can download this USB pickup from this website, the SO1, and this version USB pickup 1.5.4.0.exe. Yeah, and then you can download Wireshark in here, wireshark.org, download.html, and you can use, there are various versions and you can use what you want. Okay, if your PC is 64-bit, you need to use 64-bit version. If your PC is 32-bit, you need to use 32-bit version. Okay, after that, let's start hack. The first is you need to remove every USB device except our repairing phone, because a USB pickup is tracking USB port. So if you did not remove other USB device, you will get bloat lock, unnecessary lock in our file. So first, please remove every USB device except our repairing phone. Okay, the second is open software box tools. In this state, I don't have any software box and tool because I'm no longer mobile phone repairing technician. So I don't have any mobile phone repairing box and tool. So in this state, I will use manual command adv device. Okay, our device is here. I remove every USB device, even their mouse and dongle and other USB device. I remove every other USB device. Okay, after that, we need to open our amazing tool with administrator. Open with administrator is very important. Okay, we need to our amazing tool USB pickup with administrator. This one, right click, run as administrator, because our process is tracking USB port, so we need admin access. If you don't have admin access, we cannot capture the port. So run as administrator is very important. Okay, in this state, you will see there is two USB port in my computer. This will be different with your computer. The first is USB root and port number 4, ELAN WPF fingerprint sensor. This is my fingerprint sensor port. So I don't want to track this USB port. Number 2 is Android composite USB ADB interface. Another is USB composite device and Realtek wireless Bluetooth adapter. These port number 2 and 3 and 4 are tracking in this USB pickup 2. So I need to write 2 because I want to track this port Android composite ADB interface. Okay, 2. And then we need to give a name our output file. I will give a name with hack ADB. Enter. And in this state, USB pickup is start tracking ADB command, start tracking these USB port, all these USB port, Bluetooth, USB composite device, Android ADB interface. So we can start our function in software. Let's say this is my software. I want to use ADB device, ADB device, and then I want ADB shell as my LE system XP. Okay, that's all. That's sample command. Okay, and then I will quit after our function is finished. I will quit this USB pickup. You can to quit this software. We need to press Q, or we can use Ctrl+C to quit this software. I will press Q. Okay. Okay, we got now hack ADB file. In this state, we need to open Wireshark and open file, open and hack ADB. Okay, here we have a lot of tracking progress in this page. We need to check every single process, but actually you can skip these, and USB backup you need to check only USB backup process, this USB backup, because USB backup is command out from computer to PC. USB backing is command from return from our mobile phone to our PC. Okay, this out it's out from our PC and is into our PC. Which must be backup. This is open. This is just its ADB device command, and then here you can see ADB shell ls minus le system app. See, that's very simple and very easy to hack the command from via ADB. Okay, that's all. Now that is okay and right, and this is return. These are returned from, see, these are root, these are returned from our device. These are all returned. Okay, I will test with Fastboot command. So I need to reboot my phone to pull it out. Okay, let's check. Fastboot device. Fastboot is here. Okay, I need to run this file again to track a new process of Fastboot command. In this state, you can check our USB devices here and try bootloader interface. Okay, I need to track port number 2 again. This 2 it's not this port number 2. This 2 is this 2. Okay, if your Android bootloader device is port number 3, you can use 2 because this 2 is tracking this 2. Okay, 2. Okay, I will enter and give a name. In this state, I will hack our Fastboot. Okay, USB pickup is start tracking now. After that, I will write command Fastboot device and then Fastboot flash boot.img. My phone is bootloader locked and I cannot flash boot. This is just sample. It will fail because no file is here and my phone is already locked. Okay, and then I will Fastboot or reboot. After that, I will stop tracking. We have hack Fastboot file. We will open that file in Wireshark. In this scan, we have another track log in here, and we can check only that USB backup. Okay, In here, Fastboot devices skip for any reason. In this day, I wrote the command Fastboot flashboot put.img but actually what is Fastboot get var has slot boot. Every time we write the Fastboot flashboot put.img or Fastboot flash recovery.img, the device check that partition is here or not. That is get var has slot boot or our phone has boot partition is here or not, and then it fail. This is pass, maybe fail very well not found because no such file or directory for boot partition, right? And then this is Fastboot reboot command. Fastboot reboot. Yeah, that's all. Okay, return is okay. Okay, okay, that's all. Very easy and very simple, and it really and actually worked in some dongles, some boxes, some tools. Happy cracking. For now, I'm cracking. You don't know wrong tab manager. Okay, just kidding. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope everyone can hack other bugs and softwares. Yeah, thank you all.